Hey, it's Aya here from Social Media Design School, and in this week's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create your very own portfolio with a link that you can send to clients so that they can see your previous work. So this is a great tutorial and a great feature for all those that are photographers, graphic designers, or anyone that has to showcase their previous work in a visual image form. So if you're ready, let's get started. The feature that I want to show you this week that's going to help you create your portfolio is actually within your photo section. It's when you actually share a photo. So if you go to, you should have this if you're doing it via desktop, where it says share a photo or video, or you possibly could do it if you click on write something and when you want to upload images, but I think it'll be easier just to go to share photo, or if you can't find this feature you can actually go to publishing tools and also create a post that way. So we're going to go to share a photo, and then a few options pops up. So the usual post is upload photos and videos, then you've got create an album, you've got a carousel, you've got a slideshow, and you can create a canvas. So there's a few of these that you could actually use for your portfolio, but what you want to do, you want a link to it so that you can showcase quite a bit of your work. So what we're going to select is create a photo album, and this is where it's going to take you straight away to your desktop where you can upload the images that you want to upload. So I'm just going to grab a few just for this tutorial that I'm going to upload. Just give me a sec. So I'm going to grab some photos. Yeah, let's say this one, and I'm going to just grab all 5 of these, and then what it will do, it will start uploading them. I'll just show you right here. And then what you want to do right here, you want to add the details, and this information here is important to your audience so that they know what it is that they're looking at. So let's say this is my mock-up. So giving it a title, now you want to add a description. So there's a little bit of information there. You can go into a bit more detail, but again it gives enough information that these are mock-up designs, and these are the designs that we'll create for our clients to showcase their products. So it doesn't connect to what I've uploaded, that doesn't matter, but you just need to think about what is the best description that you can give in that little section that lets your audience know what they're looking at. Then you've got an area for location, you don't really need it, and then obviously you want high quality, and you can hide it from your newsfeed. If you don't want it sitting in your newsfeed, you can just click on hide it, but obviously it makes sense to have it available. And if you've put any data to these images when they were uploaded initially, it can grab the information. So for example, the title, the way you may have saved your image on your desktop. So I'm not going to have that, I'm going to switch that off. And then you can also pick a date, you can add a date to them as well. So I think what I'll do, I think I'll leave that all alone, not needed. Okay, so now you've uploaded your images, what you want to do is want to add some information. So if for example this mock-up, you can talk about the company that it's been created for. For example, so again you can go into detail, so when people are looking at it, they will, they kind of will hopefully be able to tell the story, the pictures you're able to tell the story. And then what is also great about this, you can tag the organization as well. So the tag is going to be in connection with any business that's on Facebook. So for example, if I just tag my own business, as you can see it's coming up there I am, and you can actually tag organizations that you've worked for, so it's kind of like a nice social proof. So you could do that, and then just go through all the images that you upload, give them a brief description, and tag any organizations tag the people, tag the clients that you created it for. Once you've created it and you're happy with it, all you then need to do is, let's just go here. If you ever want, I'm just going to show you, move across here, want to reorder any of it, you can actually move them around as well, so they don't have to stay the way they've been uploaded. You can move it around that way. And if you want to add more photos, because you're like, okay, I've actually got more photos to add in this particular album, you can also do that as well. And then once it's created, I'm going to hide mine from my newsfeed because this is a tutorial. And remember, if you're going to upload quite a few portfolios, hide it from your newsfeed, because otherwise it looks like you're posting every 2 seconds. So now I'm going to post it. And then to find your portfolio, it will sit within photos. So now, as you can see, this is now the portfolio. You can add a lot more text in there to give your audience the background to what it is that they're looking at. But as you can see, it's there. Again, if you want to, you can actually edit it and you can remove them. Really, really simple. So now that's there, that's one of your portfolios. What you can do, if you have a client that wants to see your previous work, they want to see your work, your mock-up designs, for example, all you need to do is go to the 3 dots and you can get the link for this particular portfolio. So you click on get link and now it's copied. So if I now open up a new page on Google, I'm just going to paste that URL into the bar, and that URL link is now going to take the visitor or potential client directly to my mockup, so they don't have to go through my Facebook page to find it. So that's it. That's how you create your portfolio and how you share the link to your prospective clients. Another way you can do it, a great way, is to communicate via Messenger. So really utilize this, and Messenger for 2018 is the place to be. So if you're communicating with your clients already, or you ask them to communicate with you via Messenger, just send a link to your page, especially if people are messaging you privately, because you want to get them onto your page so that you can link to appointments, you can link to your work, and so also they can see other things that you do as a business. So that's what I suggest. So I hope that's been useful to you. Let me know how you get on. I would love to see your portfolios that you upload. So if you want to, please add the link to this video in the comment box so I can see the types of portfolios that you're creating on your page. I look forward to seeing you again for our next tutorial.